Okay, today we're gonna go over how to draw Sonic, reaching out for the Chaos Emerald from the Sonic movie. So let's get started, okay? It's gonna be simple, easy for beginners, so stay around for the whole video. It's only gonna be like 7 minutes. Let's get started. Gonna go right here and draw kind of a U shape over here for Sonic's eye, a gravestone shape. Line down here for one eye. Line down here for the other. Gonna pull a curve line here for the nose, right? And underneath here for the rest of it. Gonna form a kind of a thin highlight there and fill in the rest of the nose. Curve. Curve underneath. We're gonna connect those lines right there, like so. Gonna find the far end of his mouth. Curve underneath here. Over here on the back end of his mouth. And I'm gonna curve underneath as well. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw the mouth kind of open. He's gonna be going like, what? So it's a slight curve at the top, straight-ish at the bottom. And inside I'm gonna draw a line right here for the tongue on this side and fill in the back part of the mouth. Let's go over here and draw a curve here for his iris and pupil. Curve here for his iris and pupil. Circle for a highlight there on one side, circle for the other. And we draw a dot in the center and a dot in the center for the iris. All right, doing pretty good, right? Okay, stay with me. Okay, also don't forget, hit the subscribe button if you like learning how to draw Sonic or anything other, like anything in general. I teach beginner lessons 3 times every single day. I believe no one does that in the art field. So absolutely subscribe and click that bell notification if you find this stuff worth your time. You know, if this stuff sounds like a good idea. Go over here and I'm gonna go to the brow. And as I'm drawing the brow, I'm zigzagging the line here. Okay. Over here on this side, zigzagging that line right there. It's kind of like, you know, the way you make him look like the movie version. Now I'm going to go over here and pull out for a triangle of the ear. Down here. Go over here. Down here. Over here, triangle on this side. For the far side here. And same thing for that inner ear here on that side. Okay. Curve down here for the front of the body. And then now I'm going to start with the spikes on the back of his head. So right here, this one large spike, I'm zigzagging it to make it look furry. Pulling it back in. Out. Back in. In over here, you know, for his back. And you're gonna have his arm to his side right here, and his, you know, back side of his arm over here. You can kind of pull it closer to him, right? Pull a line over here in the back. You can even draw right here another spike sticking out in between, and same thing over here. And he's gonna have his hand kind of sticking out over here. So curve, curve, up over here, and we're gonna have the glove, at least the cuff of the glove, curve for the thumb. For one finger. For the other, but before that, we're going to have the emerald kind of cross the path of that a little bit. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw the line over here. Line over there for the top of the emerald here. Cross, angle, down. Then I'm going to pull this down to that point. Curve underneath, curve underneath, curve. Line over here, line over here, line over here. All right. I'm gonna go over here for the color change on his stomach, just kind of zigzagging that shape right there. And then let's pull a line across. Zigzag line at the top. That's going to be a quick way to get that emerald down, pretty much. And now from here, I'm going to throw a straight line down to the tip. Over here as well, straight line down to the tip, bottom tip, straight line down to the bottom of the tip. Line over here. And line up. Whew. Go over here and line back here. That's pretty much it. What you can also do is throw a couple of thicker lines here, maybe toward the bottom, or you can throw them all around the outside, but kind of throw it near just the bottom areas of him, so like he's getting sun or something. But yeah. That's pretty much the end of it. What I want you to do is, if you like that, if you like the Sonic movie, go check out the playlist of the Sonic movie. I have a Sonic movie playlist. It's all the lessons on the Sonic movie. So there's Knuckles, there's Tails, there's Sonic fighting Knuckles, there's all these scenes from the exact movie, from Sonic 2. Go check that out, okay? Thank you so much. I appreciate it. You guys are amazing, and I love the interaction with you guys. If you guys want to reach out to me, you can always do it. I'm pretty much easy to get a hold of. So thanks so much. See you soon. All right. Talk to you later.
All right. And if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw. And I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now. Another short video.